We greet you now. Welcome now specially to this our channel. We are not saying our latest updated updates. Now we dey carry come for now for this channel. So I beg, if you never subscribe to our YouTube channel, make una rush now go subscribe and make una turn on the notification bell so that anytime like say we drop updates, una go dey notified. I beg, make una follow us on our Facebook page and make una help us dey share our videos so that others sef go see am. Una do well. Anyway, my people, make we enter the tori wey we carry come for una.
Federal government don begin find way to prevent strike wey NLC say dey go start by Wednesday. Henry and Lake, wen dey represent federal government for di matter to prevent nationwide strike wey NLC don threa ten say dey go begin by Wednesday, don come out again come tok after di meeting wey dem hold concerning di strike matter. If una recall, NLC threa ten to embark on nationwide strike if FG no address di fuel subsidy removal matter well di way wey e suppose be. So dis whole thing don put FG for tight corner wey don make dem begin carry out different meetings back to back to resolve the whole matter. Anyway, my people, make I leave una to watch this video and hear wetin Henry Alake talk. Baba T man get to talk concerning this outcome of the meeting wey dem hold today.
It's okay, it's okay. So, we convened meeting today. As we promised you a few days ago after we had the initial meeting with the labor movement, we said we were going to reconvene today to keep the engagement on in order to diffuse the tension in the land as a result of the withdrawal of subsidy, which is a reality. Now, we are very happy to announce to Nigerians that this engagement has been very productive. The TUC that attended today's meeting presented a list of demands, and those demands we have studied and we are going to present to Mr. President for his consideration. But those demands, we can announce to Nigerians that a lot of the items on the list are not impracticable. What we need to do is to study the numbers very well, and then we have asked the TUC to also give us a leeway to consult, very exhaustively and come back on Tuesday, reconvene on Tuesday to actually look at the numbers, the viability, practicability of all the items that have been presented to us. Now, most important, top priority on the list, which the government is also looking at very seriously, and the president has announced before, is the issue of the minimum wage, which the labor movement has demanded as a consequence of this removal of the consequential impact of the removal of subsidy. So government is looking at that, and Mr. President is most likely going to constitute a tripartite committee. That is the committee of federal government and including the states, then the organized labor on the other part, and the private sector. Now this is a tripartite arrangement. It will be a committee that will study all the dynamics of a wage increase, the percentages, the numbers, and the categories that will be affected. So by Tuesday, when we come back to reconvene and meet with the TUC again, the labor movement, we should have very concrete items to present to the world. But the most important thing for today is that we are making appreciable progress with the labor. Thank you very much.
What are the other demands beyond? What other demands did they put on the table beyond the minimum wage, sir?
Oh, it's a list, but we are not going to be listing all of those things now. We are not going to. The most important is the minimum wage. That is increase of minimum wage, because when this thing is removed, the argument of labor is that there is an immediate impact on the workers, on the purchasing power, because price of fuel has gone up, So that would necessarily reduce the purchasing power of the average worker.
Hey my people, not be small thing o, meeting back to back, not be small. Anyway my people, the update wey carry come from am this time be this. Make una drop una comment and una send una reason am, and make una no forget to like and share. Una do well. See you all in our next video.